So this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's open the box.
Ta-da!
Very nice. So as you see, there is difference between the back and the main case of the device, gray with blue. So you lift it up. Inside the box there is a wire and a SIM extractor. On the eSIM model you're not gonna have a SIM extractor, but you have a bigger battery. So let's open the front, and this is the device itself.